You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Folks, you're looking at Black Betty, my winter truck here in the garage. And I got my nice summer truck out in the driveway. In the snow, it's just parked out there. I'm not driving it around, but Black Betty here, you can see she's pretty clean. I gave her a bath and yeah, I went to car wash. But Black Betty got sick, had to change a coil. And I did it. I changed all the coils at one point, but one of the coils got a little dirty, so I had to change. I just got a new one. And she runs like a champion once again. But that's not what this video is about. We're going to talk about what I did in preparation to possibly open my own little pizza establishment of one way or another. Got me the Predator generator. This thing is a champion, a real champion, just like Black Betty. Big Al, he uses I think a 3000 for his trailer, and it works great. Mary, Big Al's sister, she has a coffee trailer now, and she has this same generator. Now I sound like I'm excited about having this, and yeah, I am. I haven't even started this thing yet, but the fact of the matter is I bought this like 2 weeks before Christmas, so it's not news to me, but I just figured I'd show you all this greatness because I'm excited to share it with you all. This thing is a monster of greatness. Can't wait. What else can I say? Now the question is, are we going to the Philippines or not? When we do go to the Philippines, no one's going to know it. We're just going to show up. We're going to be on the front step of families' houses, and we're just going to say, hey, what's going on here? But yeah, we go there. I'll sell some pizza in the Philippines. We'll come back. I'll sell some here. But if we don't go anytime soon, the Polly Detmers pizza, whatever, is going to happen here in the Great Lakes State. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Till next time.